All right, here's a quick video on how to do the virtual payment links. These links can be used for a variety of reasons. Most common would be to integrate it into your website so customers can go on there, put in a payment amount, complete the payment. But to get the link, you're going to want to go to clover.com and just log in with your credentials. If you haven't already logged in, you'll hit access your account. It'll send a little notification to your email. You can set up your password, and then you'll be able to log in like normal. But I'll give this a second to pull up. Once you're in here, click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner, and then we're going to go to view all settings here at the bottom. So just scroll down and you're going to want to go to e-commerce. So to create the payment links, you just go to payment link. We have a few created here just in our demo account, but yours will most likely be empty. All you do is create new ones. So it can be a button, URL, QR code. Most commonly, if it's going to be on a website, it'll probably be set up as a button. So with this, you can name it whatever you want to name it. This is kind of just for internal use. So I'll say like customer payment link. You could choose the pricing. It could be preset, so say, hey, everybody's going to be paying $100, or it could be variable. Variable is where the customer sets the amount that they're going to pay, and you can also put a minimum amount. So, hey, it's going to be a variable. You set the amount based on the service, but you're not going to be able to pay less than $10. Um, and you could check this. I usually do this, receive email payment notification. I'll make sure that's checked. Um, Styling button text, you can say something like pay here, and that's what it'll kind of look like for the customer's point of view. But once that's completed, you just hit save, and now we got that done. So here's that customer payment link button. If you need to edit it, again, we can just click on this, and then we can hit copy code, and then we'll be able to push that within the website code on the back end. Now, you also do have the option to do like a URL. The URL might be a little easier. It'll just be kind of like a link you can put on your website so that when they click on the link, it'll take them to that new URL, and they'll pay from here. And this is basically what that URL will look like, just to give you a quick idea. So shows what the total is. If it was a variable, they could be able to put in the amount, but then they'll throw in their name, first and last, email, and then of course the card information to complete the payment. So that's basically how to create the link and to get the URL or the code, depending on how you want to integrate it in with the website. I'll go back to the main e-commerce settings page. So I'll pull up like the hosted checkout here to show you what that looks like. Hosted checkout, this will just kind of give you a preview of what's going to be in this. Um, from here, you can also customize like the customer details. So if you want to have them put in like the business name, phone number, address, and make it required, that'll be added in. Because here, going back to the link, this one just requires, hey, give me your name and your email so I can send a confirmation to it. But you can also have it do business name, phone number, address, all of that. Now, one last thing I will mention is that you can put in custom fields. So this will just be additional information that you're going to have them fill out. Um, kind of like how we can have them do business name. You can have something else like, hey, put in, the order number, a purchase number, something like that. That could be a new custom field. And to create the custom field, all we do is go to this link in e-commerce, custom fields, and you just create them. It's pretty straightforward. So say maybe we want to have a field for a purchase order number. Select field type. So say it's text. So that way they just have a little text box they got to fill out, put in the purchase order number. So we created that field. And then now if we go back to the hosted checkout, what we can do is enable that purchase order on that custom field. But that's basically a quick overview of the payment link. Um, Again, really straightforward. Clover makes it super intuitive to use here. And of course, if any questions pop up, feel free to reach out.